Hey everyone, welcome back to the Trailblazer Razor, coming to you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So, we've got something that will really help me out with the Razor XP 1000 Ultimate. And that is a Scoshe Magic Mount Elite 2 Dash, magnetic dash mount for iPhone. I'm not really sure how this will look like on my dash of the Razor. I don't know if it'll stick, but we'll have to test it out. It's MagSafe compatible. This is for my iPhone, so that way I don't have to so that way when I'm just cruising, we'll just use this mount and use this for my phone, keep it nice and safe, but I don't have a MagSafe case for the iPhone. We'll have to get one later. But yeah, we do have a Scoshe dash mount for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is charging right now. And I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. This is a product unboxing of the mount itself. So yeah, there's the 3M tape. We won't take that off until we... Wow, that's really cool. I guess that sticks to the mount using adhesive, 3M adhesive. And in here is the adhesive I guess it sticks yeah, I think this part goes onto the dash, I think. Cleaning wipe. But we'll see if this will actually fit on the Razor. Especially if I go riding on a clean trail. But, yeah, we have our little mount. I think that's the MagSafe. And I think the other goes onto the dash, and then that sticks to the adhesive right here, I think. But yeah, there's adhesive underneath here, and the oh, okay, so I guess it goes onto the phone. Yeah, that goes into the phone, and it sticks to the dash. Yeah, I think part of this goes onto the phone, but we'll figure out what part goes where. Here we go. We're gonna pop it out, I guess. Huh. Weird. Okay, so that goes... I think that goes on there, and my phone just sticks to the MagSafe mount. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, everything is adhesive, looks like. And it's supposed to go around a MagSafe case, so I will have to get me a MagSafe case instead of the OtterBox case. So that kind of is really cool. I'm going to put it back in the box so we can install it when we get home. So we'll stick all this back in the box. It'll be easy to carry it home with us, and then we'll install it when we get home. So yeah, we have what goes onto the dash, and then that goes onto here, sticking it to pretty much any surface of the razor. And it's by Scoshe. It's a MagSafe holder for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that is the unboxing of my Scoshe magnetic dash mount for iPhone. Yeah, we'll stick that in there and stick this in here as well. Make it a lot easier myself. But I cannot wait to, I can't wait to install this on the razor. But it's a nice looking mount. Hopefully we can stick it somewhere where my phone doesn't get all muddy. Because I will be taking it on the trail. And this is the only thing. Actually, we'll stick this in my bag, make it a lot easier to carry. We'll throw away the bag. But I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little product unboxing of the Scoshe magnetic dash mount for iPhone. So yeah, I don't think this has a magnetic back to the case so it'll stick on the mount. We'll have to get another case. I wonder if they make a case for an iPhone 15 Pro Max, even though this phone's like 2 years old. We'll call it MagSafe. Yeah, MagSafe cases for iPhone 15. Yeah, MagSafe case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. How about a durable MagSafe case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max? My order box says it has MagSafe, but I beg to differ. Ooh, that looks cool. It's called the Ghost Case. And I will definitely get the Ghost Case 2.0 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Has MagSafe. So that way I can have one solid phone case for the dash mount, as well as a MagSafe charger. I guess we're good to go on that. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little unboxing of the Scoshe MagSafe dash mount for the RZR XP 41,000 Ultimate. Peace.